I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do.
Hello everyone, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I am so excited to share with you how I decorated our fireplace. If you saw in my last video, I did repaint this and did a whitewash brick, and it was surprisingly super easy, and it did not take that long with the method that I use. So if you are interested in learning how to do this, definitely check out the video linked below. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share with y'all where I got all my fireplace decor. So first is these lanterns. They are actually from Walmart and they're super inexpensive. So if you're looking for some lanterns, I highly recommend these. And then I just threw a flameless candle from Amazon, and it was in a 3-pack. The little wooden garland you see, I actually made that. And then this planter thing is from Amazon, and the plant in there as well, which I'll show you better in a minute. But then I just have these little salt rock string lights, and they just take 2 batteries, so I just kind of hide that under there. But that is from 5 and Below. And then I have this vase from Walmart. I believe it was like $19.99. And then this is like the softest pillow in the world. It was only like $10 from Ross. And then this pillow, I believe, was like $16 from, it was either TJ Maxx or Ross. I can't quite remember, but it's got like a really good thick material on the back, so I really like it. And then this little black and white blanket is from Ross as well. And the Magnolia Home Basket I got from TJ Maxx, clearance down to like $15, I believe. But I just really like the element that it gives. And then, like I said, there is the plant, and it is from Amazon as well. So I'll try my best to link everything down below. But this little guy is from Ross as well, and I just love him. I think he really just makes the space. Moving on, here is some more Walmart lanterns, and then I just again threw the Amazon candles in there. And this little pumpkin is from Target at the Dollar Spot. And then I have just this cowhide tray. I got it years and years ago, and I don't remember where, but for now, that's where I've got it, hiding my outlets. And then moving on, we've got this plant. I'm not sure what kind of plant it is, but it's real, and both of these things were from World Market. So there is an overview of the fireplace. I really like how it turned out. And then I just kind of have my fall themed pillows out with this clock from Lowe's, and then that lamp is from Lowe's as well. But yeah, oh, I forgot about the ladder shelf. So we actually made that, and then the blanket is from a FabFit Fun Box. But you can find plans to make those just about anywhere online. It was super easy, so if you're looking to make one but you're scared, definitely give it a try, because it was not hard to make. But that is going to be it for today's video. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comment box below. I definitely rearranged stuff a lot, so it probably won't be like this for too long. But for now, I'm loving this and how it turned out. And next, I cannot wait to put down our dark hardwood floors. I think it's really going to just finish everything very nicely. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!